A good day to you, ma'am, sir. I'm Sheila Marie Matias Hidalgo from 124 Baco Street, Quezon City. I want to become a Filipino teacher to your school. Please contact my number 0906-808-4493 or browse my email account hidalgo_sheila29@yahoo.com. My objective is to share my knowledge to the student about our Filipino language and to know the different skills of our student and help them to develop it. I finished my elementary degree at Dr. Alejandro Albert, Sampaloc, Manila. I finished my high school degree at Espiritu Santo Parochial School, Santa Cruz, Manila. I'm taking up my college degree at the National Teachers College, taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino. To develop my teaching skills, I attended a lot of seminars like Personality Development at the National Teachers College Social Hall last February 2011. I also attended a Filipino seminar theme, Media ang Focus ng Pagtuturo, at the National Teachers College last March 2012. I hope that you will communicate and help me to develop my skills in teaching. Thank you. That's all.